Welcome, everyone. Today we will discuss global supply chain strategies using BYD Company Limited as our case study. This presentation will show how one company transformed itself from a battery producer into one of the world's leading electric vehicle manufacturers. We will explore how supply chain decisions such as sourcing raw materials, manufacturing advantage, logistics, and partnerships contribute to competitive advantage. This is especially relevant today as global supply chains face disruptions, rising costs, and sustainability pressures. By the end of this session, you should understand how companies design resilient, efficient, and globally competitive supply chains, and how these strategies can be applied in real world business situations. Global supply chains are the backbone of modern industries. Products are rarely made in one place anymore. Instead, components come from different countries, assembled in another, and sold globally. Electric vehicles are a perfect example of this complexity. They require batteries, semiconductors, software, and rare minerals sourced globally. This creates both opportunities and risks. BYD stands out because it has developed innovative ways to manage this complexity. Instead of relying heavily on external suppliers, it built strong internal capabilities. It built capabilities, making it a powerful case study for supply chain strategy. What is a global supply chain? A global supply chain refers to the network of organizations, people, activities, information, and resources involved in producing and delivering a product across countries. It includes sourcing raw materials, manufacturing, transportation, warehousing, and the final delivery to customers. Each stage may occur in different geographic locations. Understanding this concept is important because disruptions in one part of the chain, such as a port closure or raw material shortage, can affect the entire system. Companies must therefore design supply chains that are both efficient and resilient. The importance of supply chain strategy. Supply chain strategy is not just operational, it is strategic. It directly impacts costs, service level, and customer satisfaction. For example, a company with an efficient supply chain can produce goods at a lower cost, allowing competitive pricing. At the same time, it ensures timely delivery, which improves customer loyalty. In industries like electric vehicles, where competition is intense, having a strong supply chain strategy can be the difference between market leadership and failure. So let's introduce BYD. BYD was founded in China and initially focused on rechargeable batteries. Over time, it expanded into electric vehicles, buses, and renewable energy solutions. And what makes BYD unique is its ability to integrate multiple industries: energy storage, electronics, and automotive manufacturing into one ecosystem. This diversification allows BYD to control key parts of its supply chain, reducing reliance on external suppliers and improving efficiency. So now, let's discuss BYD's global presence. BYD operates in multiple regions, including Asia, Europe, and the Americas. It exports vehicles and establishes a local production facilities to serve global markets. This global presence allows BYD to access new customers, diversify revenue streams, and reduce dependence on a single market. It also introduces complexity in managing supply chains across borders, requiring strong coordination and strategic planning. Let us now discuss the key supply chain strategies. BYD uses several key strategies to manage its global supply chain effectively. These include vertical integration, localization, partnerships, cost leadership, and innovation. And each strategy plays a specific role. For example, vertical integration improves control, while localization helps adapt to local markets. Understanding how these strategies work together is essential to appreciating BYD's success. One of the key importance of BYD is the vertical integration strategy. So what is a vertical integration? Vertical integration means controlling multiple stages of the supply chain, from raw materials to final products. BYD produces its own batteries, semiconductors, and vehicles. This reduces dependency on external suppliers and minimizes risk of shortages. It also allows better cost control and quality assurance, giving BYD a competitive advantage in the EV industry. So, what is the advantage of BYD? It is the battery production advantage. You know, batteries are the most critical and expensive component of an electric vehicle. BYD's origins as a battery manufacturer give it a unique advantage. The company developed the Blade battery, which is safer, more durable, and cost efficient. By producing its own batteries, BYD ensures stable supply and reduces vulnerability to global shortages. So let's talk about raw material sourcing. Electric vehicle batteries require materials such as lithium, nickel, and cobalt. These are sourced from different parts of the world, and BYD secures long term contracts with suppliers to ensure consistent supply. It also diversifies sources to reduce risk, and this strategy helps protect the company from price volatility and geopolitical disruptions.